Hello, folks. Hi, we are at the Silica Hotel here in close to the Blue Lagoon here in Iceland, and this is our room, number 5. There's LV, and there's her drink.
No, this is not.
That's not. So
licorice.
there you go. And this is, of course, the all-important bathroom. With a big shower up there, rain shower. And that's the mirror. And Elvis putting in
My favorite.
the drinks. See, this is, she loved this. She likes this drink. She loves it, as a matter of fact. Malt extract from
Almost like a beer.
Reykjavik. It's almost like a beer, but it's really non-alcoholic. And this is the room.
Go outside in the lava. Show the lava.
So it's I don't know, is this a king size bed?
Yep.
Okay.
So the bathroom is really
And show them the bathroom, and this is just
Did you show the lagoon?
no, not yet. I started from our front door here in the hallway, and this is headed towards the beautiful, unique scenery here, and it's everything is lava rocks. So here we go.
Yeah.
And there's Jeff. There's Jeff. They're actually in the next room.
What time is it now? Oh, okay, so we got time.
So, and because we just checked in and we're still trying to get organized in terms of what we're gonna do, and we're gonna go out, show you the view from the outside. I'm turning it to the counterclockwise to unlock it. I hope it doesn't lock on me here. Oh, we can leave it open, I guess. And this is the view. Look at this. Look at this. It's like being on the moon. See? Look at this. It's like also being in the big island, Hawaii, with all the lava rocks near what is that volcano? Kapolea. See all the lava rock, and let's have moss that's growing from the and there's the road there. It's kind of windy. It's really blowing, but the temperature is not too bad. It's about maybe upper 40s to low 50s, but the wind obviously is gusting to make it colder by a couple of more degrees, and so here we are. It's all lava all around. And let me just beautiful place, beautiful hotel, and it's called Silica Hotel. All right, so we're gonna head back in. It's becoming a little windy. All right, we're gonna close it. Turn it clockwise to lock it. We're in. Okay, so that's the mini tour of our hotel room here. Here at the Silica Hotel. There you go. There you go, Silica Hotel. Wait till it focuses. Okay. All right. And again, oops, the bathroom, and that's the mirror. So that's about it, folks. We'll give you some more video later as we roam around this hotel and get into the hot springs, swimming pool. Okay, see you later. Bye. Okay, we're here again, folks. We're looking at the Blue Lagoon area, and we're walking around, which is this hotel here, and those are the rooms of the hotel. I'm gonna zoom in. Okay, so we just got our passes to the Blue Lagoon, and we are headed in this direction, and this is the walkway. So here we go. Way front over there. It's about a 7-minute walk from the Silica Hotel to the Blue Lagoon, and please keep me company while we walk in between the lava rocks here in Iceland. It's a unique terrain. It reminds me of being in the island Hawaii because of these lava rocks. The only difference is that it's about mid-40s here. The rooms of the hotel, right on the edge of the lava rock. There you go. Okay, and this is going to the Blue Lagoon. So we're headed out that way, and my family left me. Oh my gosh! Oh, there's Auntie Delia over there. There they are, and you can see the moss on top of the lava rocks here. Moss, green moss. Okay. And I think these are, yes, these are again the rooms of the hotel, and I think this is our room. This one here. This one. In the corner. That's room number 5 right there. Right there. Room number 5. Okay. So we're walking And I can see, let me just pan in, focus in. There you go. That's the swimming pool. I'm sorry it's shaky, but just want to show you the swimming pool. The hot springs swimming pool here at the Blue Lagoon. Okay, so look at the scenery here in Iceland. It's so beautiful, it's unique. And we're following everyone. They're way ahead of me over there. It's the wind is really gusting. About 15 to 20 miles per hour. It's probably in the low 40s or mid 40s. So look at the scenery. In Iceland, and you can see the steam there. That's from the geothermal plant that they have here. That's actually heating up and providing the water here in the Blue Lagoon. Here we are after about 4 or 5 minute walk here. It seems that there's not so many people here. Huh? Maybe this is another side of the Blue Lagoon, because it has a private private hot spring and we're catching up to the family right there. They're walking ahead of me, and this is the water, the hot spring, and you can see the white clumps, which is the sulfur, or the I guess it's the silica calcium deposit from the sulfur. That's one side. There's the other side. Here we go. There's some tourists. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. Whoa. It's so windy. And we're coming up to the entrance. Just around the bend. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Man, it's so pretty. Woo. You can see the steam coming up. this is it. Hi, sorry. Sorry. So here we go. All right. We're coming up to the entrance. That's the Blue Lagoon. And Jeff's holding the door for us. We're bringing the rear pack. Thank you, son.
Sure, Pops.
Okay, and we're here. Excuse us. Okay, so we're in, and this is the gift shop. Okay. Hello. And I think we're going to have lunch here at the cafe before we head into the pool. So here we go. All right. See you later.